Alright, here I go. Good morning, world. Watch you now. Let me tell you something. I don't know if you all want to upset who on social media. But me effing upset. I mean, real upset. Not found in no sense. Included sometime myself. So I'm going to tell you something out there. You know, see some things that go on with some people carry down Jamaica and them that are foreign and them then this Jamaica. Let me tell you something. I have a problem with Gully Bop. Amari. I mean, Hanansi. You don't know, she love the website Hanansi. Let me tell you something I try to say right now. You know. Lot of we watching her and helping her to go upward. And she go up on her elevator, up on her step, up on her plane, where she had this Jamaican and this the artist industry. And sometimes we sit around and create the wrong environment for our kids and whosoever watching them on the internet. Where this lady keep going along and bashing Gully Bop. And every time she bash Gully Bop, she bash Jamaica. And she bash the people that we are watching. If somebody disagree with what she said, you know what she do? She block them. Why you gonna block somebody who disagree with what you say? Nasty girl, dirty girl, whoring girl, flirty girl with 13 pitney with no father and took up Gully Bop to be a father. Let me tell you something, you bring down our nation. And I recommend the people them to stop watch you. Or I recommend you to get an ass whooping. Or I recommend someone should not say that part there. But let me tell you something. You bring down Jamaica young Gully Bop. Big up chin. Big up Gully Bop. Enough people bust under your sting. But you bring down a lot of people. And if you know say Amari fi banned from Jamaica, not supposed to go back. Because she had something. How you want to take out pad per internet? Let me tell you, girl, where is the people them to come back and take your picnic? Because you now set an example, you get up a man and you know, be a dirty girl. Your wife you got a bathroom, you know, wash your hand, dirty girl. Because we are watch you, dirty girl. Miss Hanansi. You're not beard. We know. You get me cross. You look a ras. Let me tell you something. Jamaican for all you and beat them for stop watch. You make you go up and then diss everybody. You come like Donald Trump. You come like Donald Trump. Let me tell you that. This everybody. I don't know what you say. I don't know the words and what you use. Let me tell you something, bitch. Jamaican people stop watch you and stop make you look like you get big round here. And then you got this everybody round here. Let me tell you something, girl. We man ride you in your rear. Because we know that. Missy you, dirty girl, Hanansi. Have your picnic them a dance in front, you and your uncle and give them $10. You are not setting an example for your kids. When you are on the internet and people follow you, dirty girl. Because you get man cross to go pad by internet and go on. And that people want to see. Anybody wants to see that and I follow you and say, yeah, because guess what? They cannot read and blood clot right. They are dunce like you. I help them to rise. It need to fucking stop. You don't make an example for your kid and girl go beard. Give Gully Bop a break for real. And Gully Bop should know even better too. But here what go up now. Jamaican and people. And if you know that she need a flag, you know, when you talk to her, make she know that she go wrong. She low. You understand? DHS need to know these things. What you do? You know say you do your picnic on the internet and no time for them dirty girl. Let me tell you something. Me say so. You say you, there's nobody. And you're supposed to know you are nobody. And the internet helping you to become somebody with a 13 people with no father. Sooner or later, watch a word here. You soon hear say Gully Bop is a child molester in your house. And we are just waiting to hear that. The man where you have as uncle in your house. How we do not know that uncle is a child molester. You're talking about Ninja Man to show him age record. He need to show his paper that he's not a child molester. Around your rest of bang belly picnic them. 2 fat kids them. Your nasty dirty kids them. You and them nasty the fucking same. Dirty girl. Bill. And stop bring down Jamaica. And stop bring down Gully Bop too. You make we are disappointed at him. Until soon again when I go here. Rest of the world, bless and talk to her. And me say so, cross, hungry and mad.